friends, my name is Tess, and today we are going to make DIY busy bags using materials you probably already have at home. Busy bags are full of simple, mess-free activities that kids and families can take with them anywhere. They're great for fidgety hands and lots of on-the-go fun. Our first activity is really simple. We are going to make our own puzzles. All you need are markers or some kind of coloring instrument, and some popsicle sticks or paper. I didn't have any popsicle sticks, so I cut some paper to have the same effect. Line up about 5 sticks in a row and draw a single design across all of them. Here I'm making a triangle, but you could make any number of shapes or designs. After you're finished with your design, you can mix the pieces around and put them back together again. This is a simple activity, but one that can be fun to create and share with others. These puzzles can easily be stored in a small bag, so they're easy to take on the go. Next, we are going to make a lacing activity using pipe cleaners, a small box, and a few other items. I found this sliding box in my house, but if you can't find something like this, you could use another small box or even an empty paper towel or toilet paper roll. With an adult's help, poke some holes through the cardboard using a sharp object. Be sure to make the holes on both sides of your object. The holes are still a little small, so I'm making them bigger using a chopstick so that the pipe cleaners will have an easier time threading through the holes. Once you have holes on both sides, you can use pipe cleaners or string to lace across both sides. This is a great fine motor activity, and I like using this box because I can store all of the pipe cleaners in it when I'm done, which makes it easy to take with you in a busy bag. While you have that sharp object out and there's an adult around to use it, go ahead and make another DIY lacing activity using old applesauce or marker lids. A nail or ice pick is perfect for making holes through the lids. Just be sure that an adult does this part and be careful. To get my lacing string ready, I'm also adding tape to the top of the string and cutting it into a point. This makes the string less likely to fray and easier to lace. I'm tying a big knot at the end so that the lids can't fall out the other side. Now you're ready to make beautiful beaded jewelry or patterns with your lids, and this activity is great for developing your fine motor skills. Store your beads on the string for less mess when you're on the go. We are also making some lacing cards using foam, paper, tape, and string. These are probably my favorite because they're easy to use and versatile. First, I have some purple foam and I'm cutting it into a circle. Then, I'm going to use a hole punch to make holes all the way around the circle. Next, I'm going to get an extra long piece of string and tie it to one of the holes on the circle. Make sure your string is really long so that it has enough room to lace over and over again. On the other end of the string, I'm going to add some tape and cut it into a point again. Now it's ready to use. You can lace in order all the way around, or try lacing the card up randomly and then undoing it. I'm going to make another card using some thick paper. If you don't have foam, you can use paper to make lacing cards, but it might be a good idea to add tape to the edges so that when you punch your holes, they will be reinforced and less likely to tear. But other than that, you can follow the same process as you did on the other card. Next, we are making an easy counting activity using plastic cups or cupcake liners and loose objects around your house. Inside these cupcake liners, I'm going to mark the lids with the numbers 1 through 5. I'm also going to add some dots that represent how much each number is. But you can change the numbers depending on age, interest, or ability level. Then, I'll use loose objects to count and put that number in each cup. I'm going to use some pieces of foam and my applesauce lids again to do the counting, but you can use any object that won't be a choking hazard. This may have more parts than the other activities in our busy bag, but it is still easy to store using a container or a plastic bag. I hope you found some new activities that you can make and take on the go with you anytime and anywhere. Thanks so much for stopping by today, friends. Please like and share this video so others can find it as well. Thanks. See you next time.